with any install, safety is really important. If you are doing it from a roof, you need to take the safety precautions that you need, whether it's scaffold, trestles. If you're working from the roof, you do need some sort of restraint, a harness of some type. We'll be working from the roof a little bit later because we can't get to the other side, and we'll be set up with our harnesses then. We like to make gutters very clean once you put the mesh over the top. It's important that these are still flowing well. We've just got a couple of things that help us get the debris out of the gutter. There's a scoop, we've got a hose, we've even got a cloth that sometimes we wipe it out depending on how thick the grime is. In general, you know, it's a matter of just getting the worst of it out. And then we always flush it afterwards to make sure that all the grime and everything, it's gone from the bottom of the gutter. The downpipe's running this way, it's also running that way, which we'll do later, but the minimum amount you can put down the downpipe, the better. Let's see how clean we can get the gutters. Now we've taken the majority of the debris out.